So we are doing an updated home tour. So I say we because my husband, say hello.
Hi.
He's in the back, he's recording. So I wanted to give you guys an update. This is our 6-month house update. We purchased this house, was it 2 days before Christmas? Yeah, and then we moved in January 1st. So it's been 6 months and it's been quite the transformation. So we're just gonna take you around and show you what we've done. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the kitchen/dining area. So we have kind of just an open floor plan, which is something we absolutely loved, and it was something that we were looking for. So over here we have our dining room. This table, I absolutely love this table. It is from Ashley's Furniture, and so are the chairs, and then these 2 end chairs are from Wayfair. I'll link everything down below in the description box if you're interested. I love it because you can sit 6 people. This chandelier, I can't. This is like my dream chandelier. I love it so much. I got it off Wayfair. My husband installed it, and it's just one of those pieces that totally makes this room. I absolutely love it. Just brings some charm to the room. Wouldn't you say?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This, we actually just got these paintings. We picked it up off Facebook Marketplace, $5 each. So check Facebook Marketplace for like all sorts of things. But we love it because not only does it bring some color to this space, but it also gives kind of this like European farmhouse feel, and that's definitely what we're going for in this house. It's just a European farmhouse, just kind of rustic, but still a little bit polished. You'll see, just like looking throughout the house, that it's pretty much a blank slate right now. So we've done kind of like the hard work, and now it's just being able to put like decor and different like colors to make it pop, because right now it is kind of just like a blank slate. But, oh, show them our window. I really love this window. We have one on either side of the front house, and it just brings in so much natural light. So moving on, we'll take you to the kitchen before we go into like the side rooms. So this kitchen island, I have a video, I'll link it here. We got this from Lowe's. We cannot be more happy. The top is from Lowe's, I should say. The bottom is from, it's just a local company, right? Yeah. So it is, help me out, 7x3 or 7x6 something?
3x7, yep.
3x7, and it has so much room. Like this wasn't planned, but all of these 3 look like that. Right now this is like for overflow storage of like food, but we have tons of storage in this island and then perhaps around. We didn't want an island where you sit at because we do have these 4 bar stools over here. We really just wanted a workspace. And
She's referring to the overhang.
yes, the overhang. I didn't want it to be long. And yeah, so it definitely works super great as a workspace, great for unloading your groceries. It has all of this side, show them this too. It's all storage, so it's super great. I love it. The color is awesome. It's one of those things where, I mean, it's just gray, but that's fine. It'll just be one of those classic pieces that shouldn't go out of style. Then we have our beautiful refrigerator. I love this fridge so much. You can pack a ton of stuff in it. I've never had a fridge like this before, so love this. And just my cooking space in general, I have so much counter space, which I utilize all of it as best as I can. We actually just got a new microwave. I will probably be doing like an install video on that. We're gonna install it ourselves, so this will be gone in a couple of weeks while we go ahead and get the backsplash changed out. We're gonna do white so that it matches this white here and just kind of brings a pop, and then we decided on black grout, right?
Yep.
Yes. So this is gonna look a little bit different probably the next time that you see a kitchen update. But yeah, so let's take them to the study. Okay, first of all, wait a minute, back up. This wall was not here, guys. We hired a local handyman to come build this wall for us. We got these doors, he also installed them, and then I went ahead and stained them. them, so.
His name's Mike, and he does construction.
Mike from construction. He was super knowledgeable and really nice, and he got this done in like a week, and we were so happy with it. Before, this was like, I think the previous owners used this as like their TV room, but we're using it as our study room or office. So the previous owners left a piano, much to like, I don't know, I'm just so happy. This is like a dream come true. I didn't ever think I could have a piano. So we have a piano and I have this basic book because I am relearning how to play it. It's going well so far. So we have this, we just kind of put it here in the corner. It fits well. Then this is the other really big window. The one thing with this window, it brings in a ton of light. However, it also brings in a lot of heat because this is where the sun comes in. So we usually do have that closed since my husband works in here all day. And then we just have his little desk area. Eventually, this will change, but for right now, this is our setup, and you like it, right?
Yep, it does the job.
And then we have our bookshelf in here too, because it kind of goes with the whole study aesthetic. Check out this guy. I'll link him too. He's from Amazon. Okay. Now we're going to take you to what we're calling like our parents, like, I don't know, like the mother-in-law suite. Nothing too fancy, but we did just we did just put these up, and I think it looks so good. It's a nice little collage. We just have, you know, the two side tables, queen size bed. It's just really comfortable for when they come and stay with us. This window also brings in a ton of light. So we have that. And then right off this bedroom is the little guest bathroom slash suite. This looked so different before. It was bright red. It was ugly brown vanity. I painted this. I have a YouTube link on that of me painting the vanity. It's just a really easy fix for right now. And then we just have some shelves for decor. Yeah, just really simple but cute. Okay, now let's go into the family room. You'll see our dog outside. That's Mr. Remington. So our family room, I absolutely love because it's right off the kitchen, tons of room, super spacious. We have had this couch for a couple of years and fits really well in this space. Previously, the other owners had like the piano here in the corner, then they had a couch, and it didn't really flow all that well. So we just like how we have it now. I'll have to link this coffee table. It's so beautiful. It's from Ballard Designs, and it really just fits this space nicely. And then I have like little trinkets up here to hold, you know, our remote controls. We have our coasters, and then some decor on the wall up there. So, you know, we're trying. It's just a nice space to kind of kick back. And then we have our entertainment center over here and Remy's cage. Eventually this will go, but for right now, this is how we have it set up. And then once we get like a new TV and a new entertainment center on bottom, I'll have to show you guys that. But yeah, now come off to the master bedroom. Right off the family room. And this bedroom is like our dream bedroom. It is so huge. We have all this space like right here. We can do somersaults and jumping jacks and all the things. So we're trying to figure out what to do here. We're thinking we'll put the bench right here, and then on this side I've got our dresser. It's huge. And then I think up here I want to put like a painting, or I don't know, something. I have to figure out something. And then over here we have this mirror from Kirkland's. I'll link it. I always get tons of compliments on Instagram, like, where's your mirror from? It's Kirkland's. And then we have the sliding doors, which takes you out to the back. And then we have our pool out there. Okay, so this door was actually built by the previous owner, and we just thought it was really cool. So we kept this. And then we come this way. We have our laundry room. Nothing too special here, but we do have that really cute painting. This room before was like a bright pink, so it's now like a nice neutral color. And then you can come over here and we have the pool bath. So it's a really good size. It has a bathtub, a shower, all that good stuff. Then we have this really pretty painting from my parents. It's from Puerto Rico, Crash Boat in Aguada. It's like our favorite beach. It's really cute. And then behind you, we have our, I would say like kid bedroom number 1. Well, this is the nursery. If we ever have a kid, this is going to be the nursery. And then this will be if we ever have a second kid. But for right now, it is a second guest room. We took down, they had like barn doors for the closet that we didn't love. So we took those down, so we now have to get closet doors. And then we just have the bed, and it's just like a cute little room for guests to stay. So yeah, let's keep going. All right, last but not least is our backyard. This pool, I'll link the video below, but has had a huge transformation. Come and look. Voila! Hi, Remy. Hi, honey. This pool is a splash pool, so it's not super deep, but it does the job, especially since it's just my husband and I. It's so nice to cool off during the summer. We have our little hammock, which is super cute. And then our backyard, we are prepping to build a shed. We are prepping to grow some grass, but that won't happen until like fall time probably. And then over here, what we want to do is get a nice like wicker conversational set to set you know, right there. That's our little fire pit, which is cute. Then we have our grill. So we have everything for like a nice little, hi Bubby, a nice little time. So anyway, that's it. That's our home tour, 6-month update. I hope you enjoyed. If you guys have any questions, check the description box down below. I'm going to try to leave you as much as I can, or leave me a comment and just let me know what you think. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye!